This one is an oldie but a goodie. Get an A4 sheet of paper or any piece of paper, fold it in half, open it up again, and paint. You can do this using watercolour paints as well, but you paint on one side quite thickly, and whatever you paint, you're going to create a mirror image on the other side. So you do half of your shape. Then fold it over, squish it down, squish, 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 rub it a little bit, and then very carefully open it up, and you have your mirror image. A little butterfly.